Hey, Stell. What's going on with the penguin and your horsey?
No, I'm better.
It's time to go to bed.
No, I'm happy.
Well, you can take them to bed.
No, it's restoring.
Let's go read stories then.
It's for my horsey.
Want me to take the horsey?
Let me take my horsey.
I'll take the penguin then.
Let me take my stool. Wait. Oh. You can choose. You take that room. Okay? Take that in my room.
Okay. Go. I'll follow you.
Follow me, Dad. Take that my room. Let's go back to bed. My team. I'm expecting my penny. See, that's my. Here. There. Right? Wait a minute. Hey.